Ready? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Woldolf's Garage. Today we're going to be installing some LED license plate lights for the truck. I saw them online on Amazon, another Amazon purchase, and I figured why not. They're supposed to be plug and play, so stay tuned and see what happens. All right, let's check these things out. So this is what we got. See if I can do this one-handed. Of course, it's an Amazon purchase, so there's never any instructions. Luckily, I looked online. There is a ton of how-to videos with changing the license plate lights on this thing. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I know the truck's dirty, but kind of give you an idea of starting point, what we have now. It's just a regular old bulbs, nothing too fancy. So let's get these replaced and see what happens. All right, so from watching the videos, it looks like you're supposed to, from underneath, looks like you're supposed to be able to take this out. There's the old bulb. And then right here, to between the bumper, well, that's all the bumper, but there's a little piece right here. You're supposed to be able to pull it out, maybe. Okay, takes a little bit of pulling, but eventually it comes out like that. And then this piece just comes out. It's ready for the other one. All right, so there is the new one in there. Let's slide the bracket back in it and lock it back in. All right, so there it is. I put it in backwards the first time. So whenever you put this back in, just the flap in the metal is facing out towards the outside of the vehicle. So don't put this on the inside. If you put it on the inside, this thing will be kind of loose and it'll rattle around. So just put it this way so it's pointing that way. All right, so then you just plug the wires coming out of the LED into the stock socket there. Get those wires tucked back up in there. Then it pops back in. All right, let me get the other side done, and then we'll check them out and see what it looks like. All right, they are both in. Let me go get it turned on, and we'll see what it looks like. Holy cow. So, yeah, they're bright. That's, wow. But it kind of all matches now because you have the LED tail lights, LED third brake light, and then you got the LED license plate lights, and then the front's got the LED turn signals. I'm thinking about getting the LED fog lights. So yeah. All right, guys, that does it for this episode of Woldolf's Garage. Hopefully you like the installs. Quick, short, and easy, but I think it'd be a good one. So anyways, you guys have a great rest of your day, and tune in next time for Woldolf's Garage.